Hey there. Here we shall basically discuss nature or domain of execution. Before we discuss nature or domain of execution, we will discuss our previous topic, that is types of software. We basically discuss utilities. Utilities are computer programs designed to assist users in the maintenance and care of their computers. Malicious software or malware is a software that is developed to harm or disrupt computers. Malware is closely associated with computer related crimes, although some malicious programs may have been designed as practical jokes. Nature or domain of execution. Desktop applications such as web browsers and Microsoft Office and LibreOffice and WordPerfect, as well as smartphone and tablet applications called apps. JavaScript scripts are piece of software traditionally embedded in web pages that are run directly inside the web browser when a web page is loaded without the need for a web browser plugin. Software written in other programming languages can also be run within the web browser if the software is either translated into JavaScript or if a web browser plugin that supports that language is installed. The most common example of the latter is ActionScript scripts, which is supported by the Adobe Flash plugin. Server software, including web applications, which usually run on the web server and output dynamically generated web pages to web browsers using, for example, PHP, Java, ASP.NET, or even JavaScript that runs on the server. In modern times, these commonly include some JavaScript to be ran to be run in the web browser as well, in which case they typically run partly on the server, partly in the web browser. Thanks a lot. Take care.